Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Many Yawra Atik Mohammed. When a former acting general secretary ma PNC amanyukono meni no entwetwe nkomo na PNC de me di party na che ekira che yani a ye fa efri eye northern part of the country no ye party pa me kai se liman penso na ye yi PMP People's National Party na Dr. Hilary Liman ene di anumu na mian kasa menana Dr. Hilary Liman ne yere ma fulera Liman na wono so ye ta na chi pa bia na ko ene ye gi tumi na ya bia ya to aba ma ye na Rollins ya ba betuye ede egu ama ze mpapa Liman akora wawu a kakrakra na woje kira afedi ye party eja dem PNC na ede ba asema me go musa Atik Mohammed Atik
mina
na te say
ya madumo
oh na efiri be 79 ye party ne mudwo me kai se sabre no kumase moshizongo ni atakoye meeting ye kwa na omaka na nkwa mu na chese abefo mu ho na ye ne kama na ye symbol no eye abe eye bia na eko na ye de kakra ne nei PNC adai e de mu acheche ntokwa bebrebe ni ade yi
mina si kwame mamincha obi mina mincha etifo nyina ena no pe are husam the way we see abisa question are husam pi then I would kan PNC ye ka parties are omuye parties are ye the starting for the public. As we speak, the three surviving parties are Ghana for the starting the Fourth Republic no. I mean PNC, NDC, and NPP. These are the three surviving political parties that began the Fourth Republican Democracy.
Mm-hmm.
And next, ye ka parties are sabi omujina omonanjua PNC nkan PNC after Dr. Hilary Liman handed over to Dr. Mahaman. At least now even though he left us a very respectable percentage no, but now a so but we made for it in our parliamentary representation. Now there were parliamentarians. It got to, even though not me we could have had more parliamentarians, but now a progressive. Well, our representation in parliament was progressive. Yes, 1996, the Bimbila seat was our only seat. Well, in 2000, and our number no, of course, up to 3. Then it went on. In fact, it got to a point. Now, if not for MPP, for Bimbila city would still be a PNC seat anyway. But at the point we had 4, 5 parliamentarians and all of that. But enya aminu ekase PNC ni bakukra of parliament. Wouldn't be
Daddy
yes, Subandia ebimu kitano wa party no more. And South Sudan is all about territory control. It's about theft control. Yankasa PNC dia eshawe this is the most powerful president in PNC. Sabi South Sudan boni na ama PNC ahonde atia bedroom pempensu bi azia ye call elections kwa presidential candidate maybe wa omontimi nya 100,000 votes.
Hey, na ba kwa matia say yese mukra say mumu ache ebi ewa NDC do PNC de bi suo MPP eno so saade no so no eyi ni ti amanyoko no
one saade no allegations are ebi mo yes but me din this it is about individuals via any agenda or more Muslim. You cannot belong to two political parties. It doesn't make sense. What you are here, but the perception out there is that ebi mo oha omo yesi ebi mo su yesi. But the entity PNC no entity via so the doma. That is where you belong. And you may have your biases sometimes, but interest unye PNC ni and your biases are almost a Ghana for Mashadaye or margin say you either speak through the kind of thing. I mean, you either view things through the lens of MPP and NDC. And so, who go Kawajiya and then you see we see. Who go Kawaji ever baby for so I see we see. And see, as for characterization, I again upon Edema. But near me, minim, me better once and say. There is this attitude that a bit more third party on person control for whatever reason in yet, and I don't know. Oh, and maybe everybody.
Okay.
You see the factions are Dr. Muhammad and Bernard Mona factions, and yes, sir.
Aye.
And we cannot have an entity like PNC in the state that it was the and instead of you to be focused on the bigger picture, Yebema. It's about who is in control, when the work factions, that's the Muhuni, and now my PNC, Abedus happen Pensue. And Mimi Bear, General Secretary, for the last 4 years, this attitude has worked against the progress of the PNC. Look, Mama won the faction, and these are real things where, and yet, you see, I've experienced it in Jamaica. Mahama no crop one year. Mubanek meeting cry, Mahama was the regional chairman or control. Then I saw on crop form sympathetic to him and all of that. When the decisions are taken based on look, among four do not come to next meetings with a view to taking decisions are able to among your phone. And when I ask look, and I say party, it's I'm scandalized and I'm hurt at once to say that party, it's becoming like a joke. Adiana Kese call Congress in December 2019. Akakane do December 2029 young koi. 3 or 4 months to election. In fact, less than 3 months to elections. PNC need Pankatuni, PNC need legitimate executive bia. All those making noise from Dr. Muhammad to Bernard to everybody else, none of them is a legitimate official. Someone in our time I expect. Oh, if for some constraints, we couldn't go to Congress in 2019 December. No. What the law allows, me say, Uncle, you best next. Not next, I temporarily extend the mandate, so that you bet to me at the time extended mandate at the organized Congress. But in the entire thing, we frame meeting now we have friend on crop on say don't come. We do friend next meeting now we have friend on crop on say don't come. So they never correct. There's no way our next could have a code. And namely, September, and with their expired mandates, everybody still claims there or a national chairman, where's your leader? None of them, properly so-called, chairman and our leader. None of them has legitimacy. Obie new or a legitimate leader and our chairman and our media in the party as we speak. And when you have such a situation, the best thing is you allow the Council of Elders to take over. Now, then they set the affairs of the party to the next Congress.
101.7.
Council of Elders now said date, including the date I say Congress. Yes, you will see and you have no locus to even determine when we should go to Congress because you are expired. Every national officer of the PNC, as we speak, is expired. And the wow, that's that chairman who can say, start in speech data, Council of Elders, what is your locus? You have no locus to say because you are illegitimate as we speak. In fact, you are illegal. And the only body whose tenure is not specified and now body has structure any time limit. The Council of Elders. When you say you to Congress on 16 Muzi de move 19. Meaning 1 week difference at the end of the but the second of war and I see 4 Omo Bremer party now so a bimon crop will be a chinisino as almost said. This has nothing to do with this. It's just a tough war air course between Mahama and Bernard. And that tough war in the good party and Omar say there are 2 likely outcomes from Misha. Omar say PNC going to 2020 without a flag bearer. And now they will eventually go and do the elections. Nipanu will be unable to file because in Kaboman so how to even get the person's forms and doors a big problem because you have 5 days within which to do it. Nomination you begin on the 9th of October. Now you're closing, on the 5th of October, sorry. Now you're closing on the 9th. With Asuban, can you imagine what would happen? And see, there are two likely scenarios. Someone say, yeah, there, either on to Abano to get the flag bearer, and on Moon to for Yampo, and on the Pakoye, then the panel will not get his name and his picture in the ballot box. The human way they say, look, these are the things that should concern these individuals. Now, so they think of themselves much more than they think about the NCPS. You can't sit in a vehicle. You are part of the drivers. Who said first gear, no, maybe more age the set free. Who said second gear, none if an free beam. If I want pampas first or the bus free beam, there's no point in continuing to hold titles within the PNC. That is what informs some of us to see that look, and we can't pass our for elections, and I'll be pretty dear. Because among for Adreno, it's not about how do we grow the PNC. It's about, we want to be said to be powerful. The PNC, team winner, meanwhile, a lot of them who pass here, when you go to the grassroots, they are not powerful. Because they don't own your intermediate, me, where I'm speaking directly to PNC for your more as your honor say. Yes, you know, Nentia M. Konenimno is standing less step for echoes between and among individuals. And it's about time they rose up and told themselves, look, Sebi Munja Sanse Muhuno, Congress is for the survival of the PNC. Look, let's respect what the Council of Elders have done. So we need ye Edima, maybe other executive members, but Council of Elders, yes, you should have respect for them. Congress, so that we can get the next set of executives. Our membership parties in coming to 2020. But the Anyana, look, not December 2020, not PNC in Congress here. That's by Bonnie. Subai about I need to be said to be in charge of PNC. Whatever their reason is, like you allege, people say, and all of that. Whatever your reason is, can say you are a member of PNC first before any other allegiance. The officer PNC, is no longer serving you the way I now officer is not serving you. Meaning, leave the PNC, leave the hell and go wherever you want to go. But what you mean, PNC, and be working reasonably against the interests of the PNC? It doesn't make sense. And they are not paid because I thought that that issue about petty issue about date 1 week in Kemonti. Like I said, the issue is bigger than just date. Where just a micro reflection of the deep-seated divisiveness. It was PNC more. And look, coming Kwandia, and every former executive, of course, elections in 2015. Yes, to Abamano. And party penny for now, constituency and regional executives, delegates, and almost into your money now, because that's the reason why the PNC is where it is. Yes, I to abandon you or Mubiema. Everybody are now executive from 2015 up till now. They start to abandon more money in India, not just among some party, because these guys have worked against the interests of the PNC. And
why problem no ankasa because now no yedi kom why any problem na ankasa now no yedi kom no we almost say one there be say Dr. Edward na Sigiri Mahama me papa there be baba meeting bia no anye suspension eye obi mu no anye say ya eye say ene nipa no kura nso no wasa acheche mu wo fe we ya no eba afezu kwa okodi ambassador at large and he is really at large mu kura nso mu hu no e wo ne dwuma mu ne ade ade e say
a problem. Then I see a problem. In fact, let me summarize it. I can summarize the PNC's problem.
Okay.
PNC problem. Dr. Edward Mahama and Bernard Mona. These are the two problems of the PNC. Because I have always made this point here. I agree to work with Bernard not because of a Madame Fo. Bernard is not Madame Fo. But for the sake of PNC, I agreed to work with him. Meaning the contest in 2011. He escaped narrowly by 33 votes. Or not said, look, he would never work with me within the PNC. But when I won for the second time, no officer, I would harbor some ill feeling towards him. But Mikashan said, you don't have to be my friend for us to work. What is here? The same way, Bernard Mona and Dr. Mahama don't have to be friends to work together. But Omar bin said, like I spoke about Tefoi, I saw would give to me, a Bapians and Minami Ogboro. And there's something like Ogboro in the party at Sebi that keeps dying slowly. And so, and the problem, and then Baba, or Mumiano, tell me the count Dr. Mahama problems are. And I know what he has done. But it's the same way Bernard told me the culture of the problems are. And the problems, you know, you can summarize them into into two names. The Omumi, you know. Wow. And until they recognize the PNC is bigger than each one of them. That confusion a bit possible because we want to crop for 4 5 BR or Modinichi. We want to crop for 4 5 BR or Modinichi. And the mobile next meeting now depends on who is setting the agenda. And even regional executives who can they are supposed to keep these individuals in range because Muna next members, in addition to other microphones. But regional executives they have split themselves into two. We must support Mahama, we must support Bernard. And the hypocrisy associated with these individuals, you have no idea.
With the exit of Dr. Nasigri Mahama, I assume about this time wrong.
Milia, I've told you that the problem is two individuals. Baku Kona Baku Car. You still going to, in fact, you might even have worse problems. And because I come in Kwandia, me said it's here, I can't say, PNC delegates in Kenya. Obi Biara or contest in 2016. Eto Abamano. Nipa nipa bima Muntuntiano. And Bernard is included because Edward Mahama corner Bernard car. We still have in fact we might even have worse problems. Omumi is an PNC problem. And see whether Dr. Mahama exists or not, the problems will still remain. You might have Mahama go, another Mahama will come, and there will still be Bernard Mona. So I don't know the best fees to be now. I did not to us. Wherever Dr. Hila Liman is, what did they say he's standing his grave at this point? Because they have destroyed his life's work. Because Obi Pese on in charge, waiting in charge. That's why any good PNC, you know.
Edika wo famu de elections amu kwenu. Enka obi ti se Benanbona munya no kwan.
Yes. Yeah, you know, free or one time. In fact, the party paying 1% party no con kind here. Yeah, you know, free. If the doctor would yes, and come you know, free.
Mami tia de bi, matese binum soso e ka se. Ayese party no, or the born no ankasa ne own agenda.
Why?
Yewura Benanbona.
Masa. Pepe na eni enu ana mike. Omumi enu ni na obi adi born agenda. What you here?
Aye.
Then at the born agenda, Dr. Mahama the born agenda. Obi at the born agenda. And when you have a part it gets to a point where the two senior most, well, because we amended the constitution to say that the flag bearer, which I thought was, which in my thinking was the wrong idea to say that the leadership and the flag bearer should be the leader. But we amended the constitution to suit him. And he's the leader of the party. Bernard is the chairman. Let them in our agenda. What do you think is going to happen to the party? And when you stand up to them, then they conspire against you. Exactly. That's my issues within the PNC and count is because Mr. B, I can't see the truth and not speak it. And see, we are not as a agenda now, then you are declared an enemy. But they should not say, a bit more up or more bra. Run here. I pay na yes, Bonase. And I would allow you to destroy my future because of your agenda. And you can't want them, they will brand you as an enemy. And they have some hypocritical regional executives that are back on because they are not also interested in the progress of the PNC. And the PNC and Shea, well, my main Daniel Mackay, because every person tell me, but
facts are sacred.
But also,
me say facts are sacred. It will me aka.
But also,
me say facts they are sacred. Until me aka.
They are, but one can hear now. I question the Ubo Mudia, but I'm predicting that So one resolve issue. Say a man for one again and baby. Hey, when it said the interest of the PNC, so seen or more personal interest. It will be difficult to have an entity called PNC after 2020 because you have seen one day you cry. But me bomb say, you bet me abwa ama kuhesa really now if me for Congress. Now whoever becomes what in the next after the next Congress, flag bearer to be able to file the form. In fact, every amazing home. We are almost a year. They can go to Congress, and can't even file for the presidential candidate. Because to file to endorse forms, it involves a lot. And they say there are 5 days within which to do that. So imagine that and they say I'm and say, yeah, Congress, you cry. The choice of who becomes what cry is also
I think what does it do? Contest who does it do? PNC
2020 Anna. I want to believe that. I want to believe that that's it.
Okay.
I genuinely want to believe that that's it. Because that is the only way that can maintain. If the PNC does not contest in 2020, PNC is done. Let's just say, look, the end of the PNC has come. I genuinely want to hope that Yejinem and that will feature in this year's election. Otherwise, PNC is done.
Okay. And yet, Medas and Opadik.
Mr. Medansi, in your family, I'm sure.
Well, should I want so I take Mohammed and an acting common former acting general secretary of the PNC and any echo.
Okay, FM 101.7.